It's a problematic question. Again, I want to ask. In world, always human used to animal as a property. Uh, for we always use animal to for our favor. Even Lord Krishna also use it. Every god have a bahan. Lord Krishna also sleeping in a Cessna. Also, well, I also every time this question come, while Mahabharata going to happen, why Lord Krishna not stop it? In there, Lord Krishna only think about human, not to innocent animal. Why they used to in chariot horse? Why don't think about animal like elephant? Many more elephant also Mahabharata die. Many horses also die in very cruelty happen there. I don't see think that time. This question in my childhood too. Today I ask here. I have also my goosebumps here come.
Yes, good.
I first time I ask this question.
Okay.
Every time for my childhood to here I today 32 year. Every time comes in my mind. I still not asking this one. I first time I dare to ask.
Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyam paritranaya sadunam vinasaya chaduskritam dharma samstapanartaya sambhavami yuge yuge. This is the answer.
But here one question again come.
Wait a while.
Let's finish.
Yeah. Because on that time, Krishna appears is to vanquish all this, those who are disturbing the dharma, because they are dharmic. Yeah, because they are cruel. Yeah, they are. Pandava is a pure devotee, but they do so much harm to Pandavas.
But Kaurava is only cruelty to human, Pandav, human like Pandav, but not to any animal.
Yes, we know. We know. Yeah. We cannot blame Krishna. Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Whatever He's decided is right. You see? Yeah. When Yudhishthira asked to speak lie, but Yudhishthira not really following Krishna's instruction. Yeah, because he said, Aswatthama has to die like that. Because Dronacharya will not give up his weapon, when his son is still there. Because even he has one son, Aswatthama, he's very attached to his son. So the way to make Drona give up his weapon, because as long as he holding the weapon, no one can defeat him, like that. So Krishna knows everything, and asked Yudhishthira to speaking lie. Yeah. So is that Krishna's wrong, like that? That's for a while, yeah. So, because Dharmaraj is Yudhishthira is considered as Dharmaraj, I mean, it's very rigid to follow Dharma like that. They doesn't want to do any lie. Yeah. So, because he not fully follow the instruction of Krishna, they say, Aswatthama Asti, die. Aswatthama, die. Asti. Yeah. That means it's not Aswatthama. Because I say Asti. Means the elephant. Yeah. Was killed on that time. So that means he is not following. After that, people, Yudhishthira's chariot like that is not touch the ground. But after that, he's falling. He touch the ground. That means because he's not following Krishna's instruction nicely. But what Arjuna do? Whatever Krishna said to Arjuna, he just followed nicely. like that. So this is the decision of the Supreme Lord. The second one, whoever die in that battlefield, they got liberation because they die in front of Krishna.
But that's an example to world. We use animals like our favor. We use bullock cart to see the chariot. Lord Krishna using
Because
horses.
they are Kshatriya. Horse.
But we have no right to use animals like part of us. We use animals only for our favor. Animals have a free life.
No, see.
In earth, animals
it
come
was on
to
that time.
stay
Yeah, on that time,
their life.
horse, elephant, everything was used by Kshatriya as the equipment for war like that.
Kshatriya is create. Who create Kshatriya? Kshatriya create. We human create Kshatriya.
So therefore, according to the influence of three modes of material nature, so Lord Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, because every people they have different influence of different the mode of material nature. Sattvam, Rajas, Tamas, like that. Yeah. So he knows everything. But even the horse, the elephant, whoever die in that battlefield,
Go back to God.
Krishna gave them liberation.
Liberation.
This is we should speak according to tattva, not by our material vision like that.
But that's an example in our society. You can see every rich people is a pet, a dog. Now any animal you can see one animal, variety of animal now you can see in Instagram, Facebook, and every rich people want to stay.
The different we have to know
pet.
we have to know the different. What is the result? Because they have a petted dog like that. They become very attached to dog. When they die, remember with the dog, they become dog in next life.
This is
Yeah?
the Bhagavad Gita.
I know you are down.
I have always
That Mataji, you want to say something?
Oh no, microphone, Prabhuji, microphone.
Yeah, Mataji say something.
Because this is for actually my experience. Preach for almost 45 years like that. This is the question. Many times I'm coming, special from the Hindu. They know animal like that. Special like you. Why we manipulate like in the battlefield where Krishna allow manipulate the people use animal, right? This is your point like that. Same all the some of the people asking about that. Then your argument also like that.
Not an argument, sorry.
So
Just
this is like this. Krishna actually Krishna create the body. Actually, we are all the soul. You must be said like that, yeah. And then create all the body according their consciousness, karma and consciousness like that. So when in battlefield of the Kurukshetra, why they are using horse, using elephant, using whatever to do that battlefield. Actually, all the animal who is used and also who is happen there, stayed there in the battlefield. This is in previous life. They have so many good karma. Sukriti. They have sukriti. Although they are have a body of the animal. So when a battlefield is happen, Krishna give their mercy. They are born like elephant, horse, whatever they use. Then come to that battlefield. to get mercy from Krishna, after they are die there, they are got liberation directly. Actually not. Animal must be evolution, no karma. They don't have karma, but evolution. Then step by step by step. Unless devotee or Krishna give them mercy, they definitely not following this. Understand that one. Then because they have SUKRITI in the past life, that animal who used in the battlefield, so they are immediately got liberation. See, because they are die in the front of Krishna. This is mercy.
Bhishmadev.
Not using. Krishna not using them. Krishna gives them mercy. Like that. This one. Maybe you also, now you said, why the people, because they are following that method, right? So they are right to use the animal as they are like that. This is different way, different case. So why they are do like that? Because they are consciousness just only for the body. I am a body, not I am the soul. This is different. So if you are thinking you are body, consequence, all your activity, you have to face that. Understand? As a karma, pala. As a karma pala. Different. Now you can ask them, are you are body or you are soul? And Krishna said, we are soul, we are not body. This is a different thing. You can explain little bit like that for the people. At least you understand the point from which angles we are see that. We are angle see in the sastric point or like ordinary
Materialistic.
material material knowledge. Understand?
Consideration.
Yeah.
Because Krishna want to teach me. me.
Yeah. I hope
Krishna
you
everything
gradually, if your heart more clean by chanting, then Krishna will give you knowledge. We are already as a Sat-Chit Ananda. Sat-Chit Ananda means our identity. It's a Sat eternally and Chit full of the knowledge and Ananda. Why you don't like that? Because your heart is covered by all rubbish of sin from many birth. Many, not many years, many birth after birth.
84 lakhs.
Yes. Understand now?
84 lakhs birth.
Immediately, when your heart is clean from that sin, you can understand.
Surashi lakh. Any more?
Anybody have question?